Hi, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to my channel. So, today I am at the lookout, and I'm going to show you how beautiful the lookout is. So, in this lookout, we have this point lookout, swallow cave, barbecue house, fish breeding, and snorkeling, and it's just amazing. Unfortunately, there are no tourists right now because of this COVID-19, but the locals, they still have the access to visit this very beautiful place. Amazing blue waves, I mean the blue sea, and then you can, it's like a lookout. So come on, let's go. So we are now at the starting point, so that's it. Then tang ta da. Okay, this one here. Oh, it's how should I say, it's high tide, so it's not that pretty. Okay, but we're here. Taran! Taran! Oh, wow! Wow! Oh, someone's snorkeling. Over here! Okay, this is actually the lookout, so yeah, that's it. I'm gonna go to this place and someone's snorkeling in there. Okay, this one too. Okay, it's not that blue today because I think of the weather. Wait here. Okay. Oh, that one. It's not that blue today. Yeah, the last time when we were here, it was very nice. Okay, try this one here.
This is where the parrotfish were last
Yeah.
night, down here.
Parrotfish down there, but
Can't see clearly because of the glare on the water.
yeah. So look how amazing it is. Well, I'll just insert the videos I took last time when we were here. It was fantastic. I'm gonna insert it in here anyway. So yeah, that's, I don't know, what's Lelepa Island or something like that. It was beautiful. Well, anyway, I paid for an entrance fee of 500 baht too, so I'll just take maybe 10 mangoes. Ooh. This is what I mean, the lookout. It's not that very blue today because the sun is not out, but once the sun is out, oh, it's amazing. It's just as beautiful as um, the video that I'm going to insert after this video. So we were here last time with Glenn as well, and it was perfect. It's fantastic. And that's Pele Island, right, Robert? That's Pele Island.
Palace, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So that's the background of this one, and look at the cliff. It's amazing. So yeah, as what I told earlier, there's no tourists at all. So, but you guys, locals, I mean, all my Filipino friends there, you can just have access here to to come over here. It's only 500 baht to entrance fee, so it's worth it. But it's just a long way from town. So yeah, but anyway, it's good. It's good. So come and visit this place and support local. So yeah, that's it. Bye bye. Okay, bye bye, and please support local, and please subscribe to my channel. Comment down below. I'm going to insert the videos I took from last time. So I know, it's just like, oh my god, this is really amazing. And I was like, oh my god, this is stunning. The caves down there. I'm for sure the caves down there. Nice. Look at those parrotfishes. Beautiful, beautiful. And then the lagoon there.